Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's August 29th, Wednesday morning, and grain market's giving us a little bit of a rebound here this morning. We've got some short covering on an oversold condition. The corn market, for instance, Dees corn has been down 5 days in a row with lower closes, so market's a little bit heavy here for an uptrend, and we're right on that 20, 30-day moving average that we need to really get above. Kind of the 20 or 802 is the key number to close above here today. That's right in that 30-day moving average. If we can't close above there, it's going to signal a little more weakness, and the key support area in December corn is the 787 area. So watch those two areas to kind of give you a direction here today in the corn market as we trade sideways, waiting for some kind of indication or a confirmation that the supply is tighter or the demand is weakened, or vice versa. So those are things that we're facing here this morning. We've got first notice day on Friday. We've got the weekly export numbers out tomorrow morning at 7:30. Some of the news that is being circulated is the bean market in China overnight was lower. We were down 3 to 4 cents there. We are looking for, in China, first of all, they've got an auction of some more government soybeans there, about 400,000 tons that they will be having tomorrow. So we'll get the results of that tomorrow morning. Other macro news, more weak economic data coming out of China. Some of their key large companies over there are showing profits down as much as 50%. So there's definitely a slowdown in China, and that's creating some, it may not be initially a weakness in the grains, but certainly a reason to not be excited about the upside for traders for the moment here anyway. We're also hearing that China is doing some new crop buying in South America. They are very interested in buying Argentina corn and soybeans. The Argentina corn right now is the cheapest in the world. Brazil is right behind that, but the problem Brazil has is that they have got a 45-day loadout time, and that makes it a little bit less enticing to buy corn out of there. Other news is Hurricane Isaac. It's now ashore, continuing to drop a lot of moisture in the Gulf area. That's expected to move up through Arkansas, Missouri, and into Illinois here by the weekend. Saturday, Sunday, Monday is supposed to give us some rain here in Chicago, is what the forecasters are calling for, but not a significant amount when comparing it to the entire Midwest. Forecasters are only looking at about a 45 to 50% coverage out of that storm. So looking for some two-sided trade here. We did get a bounce yesterday, or bounce last night, that took us right up to yesterday's highs. And there's some resistance at that level, waiting for some clearer picture for this market to break out going into the end of the month. And a long weekend. Some position evening is likely as we go into that Friday time frame. In the livestock market, cutout values there in the choice were down 7 cents, select down 23, pork down 146. So meat is still a struggle to move at the retail counter. The holiday buying appears to be over, and that's adding some weakness here to the beef market. Pork cutout values continue to weaken simply because of the supply of meat. We're seeing a lot of and hearing a lot of hogs going to town. Last week we had about a 7% increase over last year. So we've got the meat supplies are large right now, but when you look down the road with the reduced herd size and the high corn prices, we're expecting this second quarter of 2013 to be again, a profitable time, as prices should move higher during that period of time. Right now, we've got livestock futures under a bit of pressure simply because of the feed costs. Grain prices are higher. They've been going the opposite way of the grains here the last few days. So stay in touch with Allendale Research. We thank everybody that attended the webinar last night. We had a great crowd, a lot of good questions, and we'll be doing this again in September. On September 25th is the next Ag webinar. So stay in touch with Allendale. We'll keep you informed the best we can. You can call us at any time. And also a reminder that we do have a few more days left of our annual yield survey. We've had a lot of people participate so far. The more, the better as far as getting accurate information. So we appreciate your help there. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and I will talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.